Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Far Ahmed, and in this lecture video we are going to discuss about multiple alleles and polygenetic inheritance. These are two closely related topics, and most of students are much more confused about this topic. So to overcome their confusion, we discuss both of these topics. Actually, the name of these topics indicate their phenomena or their meanings. For example, if we discuss about the multiple alleles, first of all, we look about the definition. Multiple alleles mean there are multiple alleles. There are many alleles involved in controlling a gene. For example, if we see definition says that is the phenomenon in which multiple alleles involved in controlling one trait. यानी कि ऐसा फिनोमेना जिसमें एक किसी ट्रेड को कंट्रोल करने के लिए बहुत सारे जीन्स इन्वॉल्व हों, बहुत सारी एलील्स इन्वॉल्व हों. द नेम आल्सो इंडिकेट एलील्स, या फिर एक से ज़्यादा एलील्स इन्वॉल्व हों. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज मल्टीपल एलील्स. अगर हम देखें तो हमारे पास जितने भी करेक्टर्स, से पहले हम फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम आइट को देखें, प्लांट की तो उसमें हम टॉल के दो जीन्स यूज़ किया करते थे. एक तो हमारे पास होमोजाइगोस और दूसरा हमारे पास डोमिनेंट था, दूसरा हमारे पास होमोजाइगोस रिसेसिव था. टी टी स्मॉल टी कैपिटल टी मीन दीज आर टू डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स ऑफ a genes. These are two different alleles which control the height. Similarly, if we discuss about the seed color, then we use the word Y and G. These are two different variants of a genes. I mean there we have multiple alleles, but here we discuss an important example, that is the ABO blood group in human beings. If we discuss about the ABO blood group, in ABO blood group there are two different variants of a gene, that are the A and B. These two variants of a gene are the alleles actually control the blood group in human body. How can it control? We see here in this example. If we have a person having blood group A, if we see its genotype, it must have two gene of A, mean it's both chromosomes are both the from both parents. It must receive A gene, and gene for antigen A, antigen B. Or another second condition is that it receive at least one antigen A genes from both of his parents, and from other parents it doesn't receive any other any gene of any antigens. That's why we can say that here the A gene which is involved in synthesis of antigen A, antibody A, is responsible for controlling blood group A here. Similarly, we can see that a person having B blood group must have B antigen, उसके ऊपर B होंगे, या फिर एटलीस्ट उसके एक एलील के ऊपर B जीन होगा, दूसरे एलील पे कोई भी जीन नहीं होगा. This is the process. We can see that there are multiple alleles. Two alleles actually are involved in grouping or blood grouping in human body. We see another example, which is the AB blood group. We see that here both of alleles A and B both are involved in the synthesis or in the formation of blood group, or the synthesis of antibodies on the RBCs of a person. So this is the phenomenon in which different variants of a genes, at least two variants of a genes, are involved in synthesis of different characters. This process is known as the multiple alleles. We have another example from Drosophila, in which we see that the eye color of Drosophila is also controlled by two here I am slightly wrong about here, two alleles of a gene. Okay, now you are much more clear. it's not the two genes, okay, it's two alleles of a gene. For example, we have allele, which types of allele we have here? We have one allele that is the b, and second is the smaller b. We can see that here capital B and smaller b, both alleles are responsible for synthesis or for producing different variants of color in Drosophila. For example, we can see that if the both of alleles have B capital, then the eyes must be black, and if the both alleles of a gene have a smaller b, then the eye color of Drosophila is the somehow darker. Now we move toward another important phenomena, that is the polygenetic inheritance. Let's see what's mean by polygenetic. Polygenetic, the word poly mean many, genetic mean genes, mean the type of inheritance in which many genes are involved in controlling the process of inheritance. मीन कि इस तरह के प्रोसेस में, इनहाइटेंस की प्रोसेस में मल्टीपल जीन्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. लास्ट में हमने देखा था मल्टीपल एलील्स इन्वॉल्व थे. Now we move to our definition. Definition says that the traits which controlled by more than two alleles is called polygenetic inheritance. Mean कि more than two genes जो होते हैं वो at a time एक ही करेक्टर को कंट्रोल कर रहे होते हैं. हम देखते हैं अगर हमारे पास मोस्टली क्वालिटेटिव करेक्टर्स बहुत सारे जो होते हैं वो इसी तरह की फिनोमेनास को फॉलो करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन हाइट की बात करें, ह्यूमन आई कलर की, स्किन कलर की, इसी तरह ड्रोसोफिला के अंदर आइस कलर्स की बात की जाए, उसकी स्किन कलर की बात की जाए, दीज आर ऑल द करेक्टर्स विच आर एक्चुअली कंट्रोल्ड बाय 3 or more than 3 genes. Okay. Let's see, we discuss an example here. Here we have the example of human skin color. We can see that for human skin color at